Is poor eyesight really just part of aging? Not exactly. New research shows a simple seed can cut vision decline by 31% in just 90 days. Yet hardly anyone's talking about it. In this video, you'll discover 7 powerful seeds that can protect and even restore your eyesight. Starting with one you probably already have in your kitchen? Stay tuned! Number 1 on the list might surprise you. Sunflower seeds. An everyday hero for your eyes. Sunflower seeds may seem ordinary, but they hold an extraordinary secret for senior eye health. These small, crunchy seeds are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that acts as a shield for the delicate cells in your eyes. As we age, harmful molecules called free radicals can build up, causing oxidative stress that damages healthy cells, especially those in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. This damage can make it harder to see clearly, particularly in low light. Studies have shown that people who regularly eat vitamin E-rich foods like sunflower seeds have a significantly lower risk of developing age macular degeneration. We saw this firsthand with a 67-year-old retired engineer who had blurry night vision. By adding just 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds to his daily routine, his night vision improved so much within 2 months that he could confidently drive after dark again. This simple change led to a profound improvement in his quality of life and a reduction in oxidative damage to his retina. Pumpkin seeds, the guardian of your vision. Pumpkin seeds are an underrated powerhouse for retinal protection. While they're often associated with magnesium, their true strength lies in their high zinc content. Think of zinc as a gatekeeper for the retina. It's crucial for moving vitamin A from your liver to your retina, where it produces a protective pigment called melanin. Without enough zinc, this process slows down, leaving your retina vulnerable to damage from UV light and screen glare. Zinc deficiency is surprisingly common in people over 60. Research has found that zinc can significantly reduce the progression of advanced macular degeneration. We saw this with a 74-year-old former teacher whose central vision had become a blurry cloud. After we discovered her zinc levels were low, she began eating just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds with her oatmeal each morning. Within 3 months, her vision stabilized and she no longer needed extra magnification for her books. Pumpkin seeds gave her back her favorite hobby and her joy. Chia seeds, the anti-inflammatory solution. Chia seeds are tiny but deliver a massive benefit for your eyes. They are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that fights inflammation in the retina. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy, quietly eroding the macula, which is responsible for sharp central vision. It can lead to retinal thinning, dryness, and blood vessel leakage. Chia seeds also contain powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which act like internal sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful light. A 70-year-old woman, a former seamstress, came to us with dry eyes and difficulty seeing fine details in her embroidery. We discovered she wasn't getting enough omega-3s, so she started adding 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds to her daily smoothie. Within 6 weeks, her dry eyes were no longer an issue, and her embroidery patterns were crisp again. This simple seed restored her passion and independence. Flax seeds, your natural eye moisturizer. Flax seeds are one of nature's most concentrated sources of ALA omega-3s, but they are uniquely beneficial for supporting your tear film, the protective layer of moisture that coats your eyes. As we age, this film can become unstable, leading to dry, irritated, and blurry eyes. Flax seeds help by reducing inflammation on the surface of the eye and improving the quality of your tears, keeping them from evaporating too quickly. A study showed that consuming flaxseed oil daily improved dry eye symptoms in seniors by 42% in just 1 month. We had a 69-year-old school bus driver who experienced gritty, dry eyes every afternoon. Over-the-counter drops offered no lasting relief. We suggested he add 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flax seeds to his daily yogurt. After just 2 weeks, he reported less discomfort, and within a month, he no longer needed eye drops at all. For him, this small daily ritual became a simple way to reclaim his comfort and freedom. Black sesame seeds, the circulation booster. Black sesame seeds are a key part of many traditional diets, and their benefits for eye health are remarkable. They are packed with vitamin B1, zinc, and potent antioxidants that protect the tiny blood vessels supplying the retina. This is especially important for preventing diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of blindness in seniors. Poor circulation to the retina can cause fragile vessels to leak or bleed, leading to vision loss. Black sesame seeds help by improving microcirculation and managing blood sugar levels. We worked with a 72-year-old tailor with early-stage diabetic retinopathy who was seeing dark floaters and blurred lines. We suggested he add a mix of roasted black sesame seeds and honey to his evening routine. Within 8 weeks, a scan showed reduced retinal swelling, and he reported that the floaters had become less frequent. This simple habit gave him hope and helped him hold on to the vision he feared losing.